Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to turn on a talkback option in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To turn our talkback on, we need to go to the settings menu here. Then we have to scroll all the way down until we see accessibility options. Tap it once and here is our talkback application. To turn it on, here we have a little tutorial how to use it. To turn it on, we simply check this box here. We need to allow this function here. Yes, allow.
Talkback on. Talkback. Navigate up button. Double tap to activate.
Our talkback is turned on, as you can see and hear. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.